guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Richa Mundhara and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, skincare, beauty, etc. So do subscribe to my channel. So for this video, I thought of doing a part 2 of the Q&A that I've done before, and that Q&A was related to Google, but this Q&A is more like fun, personal questions. If you haven't watched the first one, I'll link it right here, go watch. And for this video, I put up a post on Instagram and asking you guys for questions, and yeah, I received a lot of questions, so let's begin. I'll answer the questions very fast, very quick, and very small, like details, छोटे details, ताकि you guys don't get bored. Okay, let's begin. So the first question that we have is शादी कब कर रही हो और हैदराबाद कब आ रही हो? शादी पता नहीं.
My efforts are meaningless if the stars are not aligned.
जैसे सीमा आंटी ने कहा, जब तक stars align नहीं होंगे तब तक शादी नहीं हो सकती, right? And हैदराबाद कब आ रही हो? कोरोना को भगाओ.
Corona go! Corona go! Go Corona! Go!
मैं फटाफट हैदराबाद आऊँ. Even I am waiting to come to Hyderabad. Next question. What would be your alternative career goals? अभी तक तो कुछ सोचा नहीं है, but mostly my alternative career goals should be blogging. Not yet thought about it, but let's see. Third question. In future, if you got to choose from your job and YouTube full time, what will you prefer? My job over YouTube, because job pays, YouTube doesn't. So
पैसा करती है क्यों पैसे पे तू मरती है.
yeah, sad. Why is your sister and I look alike? Okay, this question is from one of my sister's friend, and Tanya, I'll insert a picture of both of them here. They quite resemble to each other, but why do they look alike? You have to ask our parents. I don't know. Okay, how do you maintain a personal and Instagram life? My personal life is not on my Instagram, and the things you see on Instagram are more of my creative imagination. So that is how. Why so pretty? When are you coming back to Hyderabad? I don't know. I just want to come back to Hyderabad really soon, but I don't know. Yeah. What plans till July 2021 work from home? आंसू आ जाएंगे ऐसे सवाल सुन के. हाँ, तो Google declared that till July 2021 we can voluntarily work from home if the situations in our country do not get better. What plans? काम करना है, content create करना है और गालियाँ देना है कि यार ये कोरोना कब जाएगा. That's the only thing. Okay, the next question is, who do you relate to the most? In what sense? Like, yeah, in what sense? But if it's related to my family, I think I relate to my dad a little better than what I do to my mom. But all my habits and all my genes and all my sickness is very much related to what my mom has. But I, as a personality, I relate to my dad a little better. The next question: who is your crush in Google Office? Mom, dad, कान मत कर लो. Whoever that is, we are really good friends right now. Whoever that was, actually, I didn't have like a very long crush, but whoever that was, both of us are good friends. So no naming. No. What made you start YouTube? I completed 2 years on Instagram, and I thought that it's the right time to take the next step. And YouTube से शायद पैसा मिल जाए, Instagram से तो बहुत कम मिल रहा था. So YouTube. What is your happy place? My car, and I miss it. Yeah, I have a blue i20 in Hyderabad, and I dearly miss it. Yeah, that's my happy place. Like just roam around in my car with my music. How do you always keep that smile on your face? It's just, just put a camera on my face, I'll smile. So even if I'm angry, put a camera on my face, I'll smile. A very lame answer, but that's how it is. I am like that. Moving on. Who is your best friend? I do not have one best friend. I have a set of friends who I'm very, very close to. I dedicated 9 posts on Instagram to them and I wrote like long stories about us. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead, follow. Come on, guys. How do you handle the negativity? We bitch about it. So me and my friends, if I do receive some negative comments or if I do receive some negativity, we bitch about it and we just let it go. It works. Seriously. Okay, next question. Have you ever slapped anyone? Yes, I have. Yeah. Bachpan mein I used to slap my sister also. That's normal siblings rivalry. But I have slapped someone. I'm not taking names. Sorry. What? Okay, who do you want to take to a dreamy fairyland? Why am I not able to say fairy? Okay, sorry. I think my sister, हम लोग बचपन से वो सोनपरी वाले सपने देखे हैं ना, and we have gone to Disneyland also together. Like our first Disneyland trip was together. So I think my sister, yeah, it'll be quite fun. Being a food blogger, tell me one place you'll visit again and again. Writers Cafe in Chennai, Conshoes in Hyderabad, Truffles in Bangalore. Okay, next question. What is the worst restaurant you've ever visited? Yeah. Okay, there was this restaurant in Chennai, I'm not gonna name, but it was in like themed like Friends, Cafe, Big Bang Theory and everything. But वहाँ पे वैसा कुछ था ही नहीं, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं था वहाँ पे, ना उन लोगों ने डेजर्ट्स को या मतलब डिशेस को थीम्स पे रखा था, बस उन्होंने टीवी में सीरीज चला दी थी और एक सोफ़ा का रंग बदल दिया था, उससे थीम कैफे नहीं बन जाता. एंड या जस्ट expensive as shit just because उन लोगों ने सोचा कि that is a theme cafe. Not taking names, but that was the worst place I've ever visited. Mom or dad, who's your favorite? And उसमें ना इसमें specifically लिखा हुआ है please don't say sister. I don't know. I think as I told, right, personality wise I connect to dad more. Emotions wise I connect to mom more. Because mom gives me food. I think mom. Yeah. खाना नहीं मिलेगा वरना. Who's your 3 AM call friend? Akansha or John for sure. Like I'll insert a picture of us together. But yeah, because they're the only folks who are available. Yeah, at that time. Yeah, full awake. If not Google, where do you want to be? यार ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं है कभी. This is the question that I keep thinking, that if not Google, what? But I have not reached to a conclusion. So once I do, I'll answer this for you. Favorite weekend activity? Playing board games and roaming around and eating good bowl ka khana. I see that so much. So much. Your inspiration? No one. I get inspired from 1 or 2 activities that people do, but I don't get inspired from a person completely. So, no one. What did Phoebe Buffay change her name to? And I should not Google. I don't need to Google it. This is Princess Consuela Banana Hammock. That is what she changed. Okay, the last set of questions. Okay, the next question is, want to know about your college life, like which college did you go to and everything. There is a dedicated YouTube video called Introduction to my YouTube channel. Please go watch it. Everything is there. Next question is your worst nightmare. Losing the people that I have right now with me. That is my worst fear. How do you come up with new content ideas? I sit and me and my sister, we just jot some ideas, keep looking for inspirations here and there, think how we can add our flavor to it. So that is how. But I actually literally write that इस दिन मुझे ये पोस्ट डालना है, ये वीडियो डालना है, इसका शूटिंग मुझे अभी करना है, इसका एडिटिंग मुझे अभी करना है, ताकि everything just goes up on time. What puts you off? People who come late, people who don't call back, and people who are ungrateful for the folks who care for them. So these are something that puts me off, like literally. Okay, what was the last compliment you received? that I have a positive vibe and I create like a space in which people can get comfortable and speak their heart out. Okay, so that's it for all the questions that I had. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. For the next month, which is my birthday month, for the next month I'll do a special Q&A video. And yeah, till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and have a good day.